Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed Mohammed Zaki and this is my individual project too. Which tool did I pick and why? I chose to pick Google Visualization through Google Developer. And why? Obviously because it's easy to build columns, easy to read and customize, creative and user-friendly. Also, it's more clear and professional in presenting the data. Learning process for the use of the tool. I learned presenting data in a professional way, also comparing different set of data in one chart. Also, I learned customizing chart and graphs, and the animation of chart in various ways. My raw data selected and where the data came from. I chose the top 10 highest paying jobs in the USA, and this is the sources where I got it from. And I'll show you on the live server how the tool helped in my visual presentation. Controlling how to display data in dashboard, using different animation of the chart in different ways. Also better understanding of the data that I chose. Thank you. Now I'm going to show you. So I had my project run through my Mason Live server over here. At mason.gmu.edu. So yeah, top 10 highest paying jobs in the USA. So I made a chart that shows the difference, and you can obviously tell that, like for example, surgeons, they make $240, and also I made the line next to it. It's the job, how many numbers of the job holders. So let's see. So the highest paying jobs is either general intersets or surgeons. But the lowest, as you can see, is psychotherapists, and the number they get paid a year, they get paid $182,220, and the job holders for this job is 25,080. Yeah, so this is very self-explained. As you can see, these are all the 10 jobs listed, and once you just browse around, just highlight one of the lines, it will show you the number and how many job holders.